Welcome to Permanent Notes. A permanent note is a note that's going to go forward with the client file year after year. So it's not year specific, it's something you'd want to display every single year when you do a tax return or have some kind of reminder for you to ask the client a specific question prior to doing the return. So for example, I'm in Jeff Case's file and say Jeff pays alimony every year and you just want to make sure you don't forget that, or maybe Jeff normally pays estimated tax payments. It's something you need to ask him that you don't overlook. So what I would do is in my permanent note box, first, normally when you go into a client file, if there isn't a permanent note, it won't be expanded. So to expand the permanent note, you just left click on the title bar. It's going to display the permanent note, and I'll just type a note, ask about estimated tax payments. Okay, and if I want it to show in my lobby screen, if I'm using my lobby screen, I would check this box. So then the preparer will see this when they go out to greet the client. And I select Save Note. It's automatically going to record the last time it was modified. I also could select the clock icon to date stamp it. So if I have multiple notes in there and I have multiple users recording notes, I might want to use the clock icon. Just click that and it would stamp date it and also put the user's name. All right, now when I go to my home page, because I said I want that to display on my lobby screen, so when Jeff actually comes in, it'll actually display right here in my notes field. So as I go to take Jeff back, I would have a reminder there, ask about ES tax payments, estimated tax payments. One more thing in the permanent note, if I do a search for Jeff, if there is a permanent note, their name here will highlight in yellow. And if you look at the key, that means review file. So I should probably go in and take a look at their file to see if there's anything I need to know about prior to either giving Jeff some information or doing his tax return for this year. So if I want to remove this, all I do is simply delete it, uncheck the box, hit Save Note, and now my note is no longer there. So that's pretty much all for permanent notes. It's just any note client specific that you'd like to go forward year after year. Thank you.